Hi guys, this is one question which is asked by a lot of students that I am in final year, exams are not yet conducted, what to fill in the CAT form. So number one, you have not passed out till the time you clear the exam. Your college might be over, but by the time you have not given the exam, you are not passed out. So you are still in final year. Officially, you are in final year. Technically, take a basically, ethically, whichever you want to say, you are in final year. Number 1 point. Now, what to fill the marks? Whatever mark sheets you have, 4 sem, 3 sem, 5 sem, 7 sems, whichever mark sheets you have, you take an aggregate of that and fill it here. Yeah, this is now what you can do. This is true every year, because of one reason or the others, sometimes you have a KT, sometimes you have this, sometimes you have that. So whatever may be the reason, now this time because the coronavirus, obviously things have become more complicated, but all these things will be taken care of. Your CAT form will not get rejected because of this. For more information, what you can do, you can email the CAT authorities. While fill the CAT form, you can raise your request. Yeah, they will reply you there. नहीं तो आप submit कर दो. In case they don't reply, you submit your mark sheets, whatever mark sheet you have. For example, right now you are in SEM 5. Yeah, BCom you are in SEM 6. Sorry, yeah. तो SEM 5 का भी रिजल्ट कार्ड नहीं आया मेरे हाथ में. So I have the result card only for 4 SEMs. No problem. You take aggregate of your 4 SEMs and submit that marks. CGPA, whatever you have of the mark sheet you have, submit that. Now I got one more question here, pointer number 3, that sir, my aggregate is less than 50 of all my 4 SEMs, but in final SEM I'm hoping कि मेरा 50 पार हो जाएगा. No problem. In that case, you can put 50 and submit. ठीक है, because if you don't put 50%, you are not eligible for the CAT exam. Yeah. Tomorrow, if your final SEM marks are obviously less than 50%, then obviously you will not be going to IIMS. ठीक है, but that obviously that's assumption. ठीक है, तो आप 50% डाल के सबमिट कर दो फॉर्म सबमिट करो, दैट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, your case will not be rejected. Worst case, what you can do, you can raise a request. If they reply you to you, it's great. Otherwise, what we can do is we can email them. Just email them and forget. तुम्हारा काम हो गया ख़त्म कि मैंने ऐसे प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था, तो आई हैव जस्ट सबमिटेड द 4 मार्क शीट, 4 years का 4 सेम का मार्क शीट, विच एवर मार्क्स आई हैड, एंड आई अपडेट द मार्क्स लेटर ऑन वंस आई गेट द मार्क्स. ठीक है, सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. All of these things are accepted in the CAT form. Your form will not be rejected. Don't worry. Yeah. If you have any more question, you can ask in the comment box. I can make a video on that as well as a part 2 of this. Alright. All the best.